Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. JavaScript problem in this tutorial is to swap two strings, preferably without help of temporary or another variable. We have got this HTML page, Bootstrap is linked with it, and we have got this HTML and our custom.js file is linked with it at the bottom as well. We have got two input fields with class A and B, and we have got a button. This is our JavaScript file. On click of this button, we have added an event listener. On click of that button, that will fire this function result, and our logic will be here. If we don't choose to click at this button, we can just enter in any field and get this function fired. This is the output for the HTML. Here will be two strings and we will swap these two strings. So we'll have to write our logic here. First of all, we will get values from input fields. Here is value of input field 1, and this is for input field 2. Then we will use destructuring assignment. Destructuring is ES6 feature, and that is extracting items of an array into variables. It's short and expressive and is performed in just one statement. It works with any data types like numbers, strings, booleans, objects. It also means unpack values from array or properties from objects into distinct variables. It will go like this: A, B is equal to B, A. And that's it. Our values have been swapped. Now all we have to do is to print values back in input fields. Save, refresh the page. 1 2 3 4 5 6, enter, and as you can see, values have been swapped. That's it for this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. This will help the channel and motivate me to create more videos. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.